Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to convert a horizontal video into a vertical format on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. Once in CapCut, click on Create Project. Now click on Import, find your video file, and select Open. Once imported, drag it into the timeline. At the bottom of the video preview, you will see the ratio option. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio to convert your video into a vertical format. To adjust the framing, click on the video, then go to the Basic tab on the right. Use the Scale option to resize it and drag the video to center it properly. Once you are happy with the result, go to the top right corner and click Export. You can adjust the settings if needed, but the default options work fine. And that's it. Now you know how to convert a horizontal video into a vertical one using CapCut.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.